Today on Tips and Tricks, sharpening your scissors. I'll show you how I do it. When I need to sharpen my scissors, which is pretty regularly, I use one of these guys. It's just a board. You could use a piece of leather, kind of anything. This is 400 grit sandpaper, and this is a piece of leather with honing compound on it, which I bought from Lee Valley. I think you can get it kind of anywhere. It comes in like red. I don't know if it comes in white. I think it does, but you just rub it on and carry your blade over it. So I'll show you how I do it. So here's a pair that are not very sharp right now. You can see it's really not. They won't cut. They're not like these ones. See, and this one's just gonna go. Okay. I've got a little dent that's formed there on my table, so I just stick my scissors in there. I take a clamp. Open them up. Just nice and slowly. You only go in one direction. You don't. Sometimes I see people kind of going like this. I never found that works. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me either, because you could get the burrs to kind of catch and go backwards, and you might end up dulling it. Just ease in, get yourself into a position where you're making the same motion over and over and over again. That's really what it's all about. Help you keep the angle. Now, it's looking pretty good. So I flip it over and do my honing side. It's hard to see on here, but you can actually start to see your reflection in the scissors. Okay, so we'll see how this goes here. Take it on the back side. Now, I lick my arm. See that? If it shaves the hair, it's pretty sharp. Now, it could be a little bit sharper, so I'll just finish it up by hand. And now I do the other side. You have to be a little bit gentle. You can see I'm putting some pressure on the handle. I don't want to break it. Now this is ready for a new piece. You can see you usually want to keep this nice and smooth, but it'll still do the job, it just takes longer. again, we'll check this side. Look at that, that's nice and sharp. Okay, so that's it. That's how we do it. It's not very hard. I've tried all the different ways. I've tried the stones, the diamond, the stick, and this for me is the best way, especially when it comes to my scissors. I hope it helped. This is the part where I tell you to follow and subscribe and maybe visit my website, lastshoes.ca, Instagram, all that, all that stuff. So until next time.